Welcome to Trick Traveler's Hub. Today I am going to show you floppy disk. This is Immersion 1.44 MB floppy disk. It's a disk. Nowadays we use pen drive. During 2000 to 2003 or 4 we have used it as pen drive. Pen drive is with lots of storage, but it's only 1.44 megabyte. We have to manage within this space only 1.44 MB. It is a portable disk. Its storage capacity is only 1.44 megabyte. This is the lock. You can lock and unlock it. If you lock it, then you won't be able to write anything. Just you can view and copy. If you unlock it, then you can format it or delete it or modify it, but it is really difficult to open the file from the disk and modify. It was not like pen drive. Nowadays pen drive are too fast, but it is not like that. It was required to install a floppy disk drive to read data from it. After inserting the floppy disk into the floppy disk drive, then you can access the disk. Sometimes we have faced a problem like you have copied a file in the disk, then when you open it in another PC, then no file is available. It was a common problem that time. Only 1.44 MB data. Can you imagine? We have used it for university assignment and other purposes. Word or Excel file, just you can copy. This is Sony brand floppy disk. It was more expensive than the other brands. It was durable too. This is Immersion brand floppy disk. I have 7 or 8 floppy disk in my collection. Nowadays the new generation won't understand how we have managed only 1.44 MB. Nowadays a picture take 3 to 5 MB space. Viewers, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.